it looks like that Bitcoin is now retesting the upward sloping support level, and there is a chance that we actually break it down. So, but will this actually be happening, or will we see here a bounce back to the upside? That is something that I want to talk about. So definitely stick around if you think that's interesting, and definitely like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. So, and I also want to talk about that Bybit has right now again their trading series open. So, and I will be again taking part as a team leader. If you want to take part in this, then create an account on Bybit. Link to sign up on Bybit is in the description, and then you still get a $4,000 bonus if you use this link. And then you can go directly also then to the next link that is in the description to join the team to take part in the trading competition. We can win up to $8 million combined here as a prize in this trading competition. The registration is open since today until I think for the next 7 days, and then we start trading by around the 20th or something until the 17th of July. But all the information is actually on the website, on the link in the description. So now let's get here straight into the content, guys, because that's why everybody is here. Let's go into the 4-hourly charts, and what we can see here is that in this symmetrical triangle that we were forming here and bouncing up and down in between, that now here on the 4-hourly chart, the Bitcoin price is actually retesting this support level here with this upward sloping support line. So, and if the Bitcoin price drops out of this, the technical target would be all the way down. I think when I measured it the last time, it was around $23,000. So, but let's check again. So here you see, yeah, $23,400 would be the technical target if this 4-hourly candle is closing under this symmetrical triangle and the next candle is pushing lower. So the only reason why I believe that could be not the case is when I look at the stochastic RSI, because the stochastic RSI is in oversold condition. So a bounce is quite likely here to occur and send the Bitcoin price here back up into this symmetrical triangle and in direction to the upside. So I also see a potential other pattern forming right now, a falling wedge here. So, but that can also only play out if we stay within this falling wedge. Otherwise, yeah, if we break it, then it's invalidated. So, and then also the symmetrical triangle here will be completely invalidated. So we have to wait here a little bit longer to see actually what is going to happen here. So, but like I said, if we close a 4-hourly candle now beneath the symmetrical triangle, we should be seeing some insane volatility coming in. So, however, when we look on the daily chart, things looking a little bit different here. So here the Bitcoin price is still trading in this range. So, and in this range we could actually hit all the way down to $28,700 and would be still maintained to stay within that range. So, but we got rejected from the EMA ribbon here. So we tried to stay here within the ribbon, but got done rejected, and now staying underneath the ribbon here once again. So which is obviously not bullish. So it's actually quite bearish that the Bitcoin price could not maintain to stay within the ribbon and climb here higher in the immediate short term. So that's why we also should be a little bit more cautious here what's happening on the daily chart. When we are looking here on the stochastic RSI, then we see there is a lot more room to go down. So personally, I believe on the daily chart we will see some more sideways chop here up and down within that range, while the stochastic RSI is coming down into oversold conditions to get then a bounce, and then we will also see this relief rally to the upside for the Bitcoin price. But obviously on the way down we cannot determine right now how low it actually goes. So it can of course go all the way down to $23,000 like I have shown you with the technical target on the symmetrical triangle. The only reason why I don't believe that this is going to happen is because we have here now some solid support around the $28,500 area, because we have so many touch points here. We have touch points here all the way. We have around, let's see, from the 10th of May until, so we have here almost 20 candles touching around the $28,000 area. And that is now heavy, strong support. And yeah, that's why I don't believe that we could actually break this anytime soon, but of course we can test this and get a bounce from there back to the upside. So yeah, there's actually not much more to say. We can also have a quick look in Ethereum, but there's still not really something happening here on this bump and run pattern. So we are also still here trading within this bigger buy zone range here, and yeah, maintaining to stay within. So, and here I can only recommend you to heavily buy as much as you can, because nobody knows how long we're actually going to stay there. As soon as Bitcoin is turning around, we will see also Ethereum turning around here and completing this bump and run pattern here to the upside. So if we go quick back here one last time to the Bitcoin price, if you actually want to trade Bitcoin on Bybit right now, so then I recommend you to trade here exactly this range as you can see this. So I would wait for an entry point around $29,000 more or less. So that would be a good entry. So you can also try and to time the low here if the Bitcoin price comes all the way down $500 lower, and then trade this all the way up to the top of the range here again to take your profit, and then rinse and repeat this as long as that is actually going on. So if you want to do this, then don't forget, guys, go to the description of the video. There is the link to a Bybit where you still get $4,050 if you use my specific link here and sign up with this, or you go to Phemex, there you still get $4,100 also using my specific link here. Guys, that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you are thinking is going to happen. Do we break now out of this symmetrical triangle to the downside and out of the range that we are trading sideways, or is this just a fake out and we will turn around and go to the upside? I definitely would like to know. Let me know, guys, in the comments. Otherwise, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also activate the notification bell, and I'll see you again hopefully tomorrow in the next one.